Welcome to Narayana Online Digital Classes. Today we are going to discuss some basic questions of matrices. Let us move to the first question. If a minus 2b equal to 1 minus 2 3 0 and 2a minus 3b equal to minus 3 3 1 minus 1, then b equal to what? Now you see this one, a minus 2b is equal to, this is 1 minus 2 3 0. Is it clear? I will multiply this one with 2. What will happen? 2a minus 4b is equal to, this is 2 minus 4, this is 6 0 only. Is it clear? It is a 2 by 2 matrix, order is 2 by 2 only. Now given thing is, what is that? I will call this is equation 1. Now 2a minus 3b is equal to, 2a minus 3b is equal to what you will get once you check this one? Minus 3, 3, 1 minus 1. This is 2 you can call. Now equation 2 minus equation 1 we will do. 2 minus 1. Equation 2 minus equation 1, what you will get once you check this one? 2a will be get cancelled. Minus 3b, minus of minus plus 4b, 4b minus 3b, directly you will get it as b only. Now what is b? This one minus this one. Minus 3 minus 2, you will get, that is minus 5. Is it clear? 3 minus of minus 4, that is nothing but 7 only. Now 1 minus 6, you will get it as minus 5. Now minus 1 minus 0, that is minus 1 only. Now once you observe that one, minus 5 7 minus 5 minus 1, minus 5 7 minus 5 minus 1. The second option is correct only. This is the right answer. You observe that one, minus 5 7 minus 5 minus 1, we got same thing only. Let us move to the next question. Now capital A equal to, given all 2's only. It is a 3 by 3 matrix was given. The order is 3 by 3. Then a cube minus 35a is equal to what? Now once you observe that one, to get a cube I am doing a square. Now a square means what is that? 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 into, this is 3 by 3 again, 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2. Now what you will get once you observe that one? A square is nothing but, you observe that one, first row first column, 2 to the 4 4 4, 4 plus 4 plus 4 12. Everything whatever you multiply 12 12 12 only you will get. First row first column, first row second column, first row third column, second row first column, second row second column, second row third column, third row first column, third row second column, third row third column only. Now everything will become 12 12 12 12 12 12 12 12 12 you will get. This is a square. Now I will go for the a cube. A cube is nothing but a square into a, that is nothing but 12 12 12 12 12 12 12 12 12 into what is that? This is 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2. Again the same thing only. First row first column, what you will get? 24 plus 24 plus 24, 72 you will get. Everywhere 72 only you will get. So that's what we will get? 72 72 72 72 72 72 72 72 72. Now once you observe that one, this is a cube we got. Now what is 35a? 35a is equal to, multiply with 35 with all the elements only. Then what you will get once you check this one, all are 2 only. So that's what, 70 70 70 70 70 70 70 70 70 only. Now what thing you will get once you observe that one? Is it clear? Now this a cube minus 35a is required. Now a cube minus 35a, a cube minus 35a is equal to all 72s, 35a all 70s only. Now again what you get? 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, a 3 by 3 matrix we are getting. Once you observe that one, see 72 minus 70, 72 minus 70, 72 minus, everything is like that only. So we got that is nothing but 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. This is nothing but what? This is already, you know that is A only. So that's what first option A, second option 2A, third option 3A, fourth option 4A is there. So first option A is correct answer only. Let us move to the next question. Now A is equal to 1 minus 2, 4, 5. A is equal to, capital A equal to, it is a 2 by 2 matrix, 1 minus 2, 4, 5. Now they are asking f of A plus this one. F of t was given t square minus 3t plus 7. Now f of A, what you will get once you observe that one? F of A is nothing but A square minus 3A plus 7i we get. A square minus 3A plus 7i we get. Each and every individual thing we will find. A square I am going to find. A square is nothing but what? 1 minus 2, 4, 5. This is 1 minus 2, 4, 5. Now this is equal to what you will get once you observe that one. First row, first column, 1 minus 8 plus 1 minus 8, what you will get? Minus 7 you will get. Now first row, second column, minus 2 minus 10, what you will get? Minus 12 you will get. 4 plus 5 into 4, 20, this will become 24 only. Now for second row, second column, minus 8 plus 25, that is nothing but 17 only you will get. Now once you observe that one, I got A square, after that 3A. 3A means what you will get once you observe that one. 3 into A, this is 3 minus 6. 3 minus 6, 12. 3 minus 6, 12. This is 15 only. Now, then after what you will get once? 7i is there. 7i means 7007 only. Now what is A square minus 3A plus 7i? A square minus 3A plus 7i is equal to what is that? Once you observe that one. A square is minus 7 minus 3 plus 7. Why? Because plus 7i is there. Minus 7 plus 7 cancel. That is minus 3 is the remaining thing only here. Is it clear or not? Next, minus 12 minus of minus 6. Minus 12 minus of minus 6 means plus 6 only. Minus 12 plus 6 you will get minus 6. Minus 6 plus 0. Minus 6 plus 0 you will get it as minus 6 only. Is it clear or not? Now 24 minus 12, that is plus 12. 12 minus 0, you will get it as 12 only. Next, 17 minus 15. 17, this is minus 15. Why? Because A square minus 3A. 17 minus 15, that is 2. 2 plus 7. 2 plus 7, what you will get? 9 only. Just you observe that one. F of A plus this matrix only. 3. Here 3 is there, here minus 3 is there. Here 6 is there, here minus 6 is there. Here minus 12 is there, here plus 12 is there. Minus 9 is there, plus 9 is there. Adding corresponding elements, what you will get? All zeros only you will get. Is it clear? Now let us write that one. Now we require f of A plus, this is 3, 6 minus 12 minus 9. That is equal to what you will get? All are zeros only you will get. Null matrix we are getting. Is it clear or not? Once you observe that one, see minus 3 minus 6, minus 3 plus 3 0, 6 minus 6 0, minus 12 plus 12 0, minus 9 plus 9 0 only. So I got all zeros only. Now you check the option 1 0 0 1, 0 0 0 0, 0 1 1 0, 1 1 0 0. Which option is correct? All zeros only. This option is correct only. Let us move to the next question. Now 1 minus tan theta. Now 1 minus tan theta. 1 minus tan theta. This is tan theta. This is 1 into. Is it clear? Now 1 tan theta minus tan theta, that is 1, that is equal to, you will get A minus B A only. You see, first row, first column, 1 into 1, 1 minus tan theta into tan theta, you will get 1 plus tan square theta. 1 plus tan square theta. First row, second column, tan theta minus tan theta. Tan theta minus tan theta. Second row, first column, tan theta minus tan theta. Is it clear or not? Second row, second column, tan square theta plus 1. So tan square theta plus 1. That is equal to what you will get? A minus B A. Now what is 1 plus tan square theta? That is nothing but this tan theta will be get cancelled. Secant square theta, this is 0 0 secant square theta, that is equal to what you will get? A minus B, this is A. Corresponding elements you equate that. Is it clear or not? Minus B0 means what is that? B equal to 0, A equal to secant square theta. Therefore, A equal to secant square theta, B equal to 0 only. Now you see the first option, A equal to 1, B equal to minus 1, A equal to secant square theta, B equal to 0, that is the right answer only. Third option, A0, B equal to sin square theta. Fourth option, A is equal to sin 2 theta, B equal to cos 2 theta. Which option is correct? A equal to secant square theta, B equal to 0 is the right answer. The second option is correct only. Let us move to the next question. Now, you see this one. Here A is given, B is given. Now, A is the matrix of order, what is that? 2 by 3 matrix only. Is it clear or not? B is the matrix, that is nothing but 3 by 2 matrix. AB exists or does not exist? Exist only. Why? Because number of columns in A is equal to number of rows in B. If you get that, matrix multiplication is confirmable. Is it clear or not? Now, that is AB resultant matrix, what you will get, you know? AB order should be 2 by 2 you will get. I am not solving the problem. So, what we will get? Exist or does not exist, equal or not equal, we are going to check that one. AB is 2 by 2 matrix. Now, this is implies B is 3 by 2 matrix, A is 2 by 3 matrix. These two are same or not? BA exists or does not exist? Yes, exist only. BA order should be 3 by 3 only. So, here AB exists, BA also exists. But AB and BA are not same. Why? Because it is a 2 by 2 matrix. This is a 2 by 2 order matrix. Now, BA is 3 by 3 matrix. A 2 by 2 matrix never equal to 3 by 3 matrix only you will get. So, that is what, once we will check the options only, AB, BA exist and equal, they are not equal, wrong option only. AB, BA exist and are not equal, yes, this is correct only. AB exists and BA does not exist, wrong option. AB does not exist and BA exists, both are existing only, but they are not equal only. AB, BA exist and are not equal is the right answer only. Here no need of solving the problem only, just based on the order only you can say that one. In this case, is it clear? Let us move to the next question. at a equal to diagonal 3, 3, 3 and a power 4 is equal to ka, then k is equal to what? Now diagonal means what is that? Once you check this one, diagonal matrix A is equal to 3, 3, 3 means 3, 0, 0, 0, 3, 0, 0, 0, 3. It is a diagonal matrix only. Is it clear? Now this A is can be written as, if you take 3 common, this will become 3 times of 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, you will get A equal to, you will get 3i, you will get. Is it clear? Now I required a power 4. A power 4 equal to 3i power 4 means 81. I power 4, that is nothing but 81 I only. 3 power 4 is 81 only, I power 4 is nothing but I only. Now a power 4 is equal to 81, I can be written as 27 into 3i, you can write. 27 into 3i is nothing but 81 I only. Now once you observe that one, a power 4 is equal to, this 3i is nothing but a only. 3i is nothing but a only. So 27a I can write. 27 3i means I can write 27a only. If it is 27a, compare with this one only, ka only. A power 4 equal to ka, that is 27a only. So a power 4 equal to ka. Now what is k? K equal to 27 is the right answer only. Is it clear? A power 4 equal to ka means we got 27a only, k value is 27. Let us move to the next question. Now capital A is equal to, capital A is equal to a square ab ac ab b square bc ac bc b square c square, sorry, a square plus b square plus c square equal to 1, then a square is equal to what? Given that a square plus b square plus c square, a square plus b square plus c square is equal to 1. Here I will use one shortcut. Why? Because you have to multiply with a into a, very lengthy you will get. Wherever you will get a square plus b square plus c square, that is 1 you have to substitute, and after that you have to reveal the problem. So we use a shortcut method. By using that, easily you can reveal the problem only. Once you observe that one, without loss of generality, you have to take that shortcut. What it is mean? I put a equal to 1, b equal to 0, c equal to 0. Anything wrong? Once you check. A equal to 1 means 1 plus 0 plus 0, 1 without loss of generality. Means given thing is not disturbed. Is it clear or not? A equal to 1, b equal to 0, c equal to 0. You will get one doubt. We can change the other a, b, c like that. No problem you can take. But don't take the big numbers. Why? Because we are reducing the lengthy problem to small one only. That's what I am taking the small values only. Now once you observe that one, our a will become what it is once you check this one. A square, that is 1. A b0 c0 means what will happen? 0 0 0 0 0. Everything will be 0 only. 0 0 0. I got like this one. A equal to 1 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0. Now I will do what is a square. A square is equal to 1 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 into 1 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0. Easily you can multiply this one because a lot of zeros are there. First row, first column, only one element is there. One only you will get. Other things will be 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0. What is this one once you observe that? 1 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 is nothing but a only. It is nothing but a only. So a square is equal to what we got once you observe that one. A only, first option A, second option 2A, third option 3A, fourth option 4A. You did not get 2A, 3A, 4A like that. You got it as A only 1 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 means we can consume the time by using this type of shortcuts in the matrices only. Is it clear? Otherwise, multiplication very lengthy you will get. So, little bit difficult for that one only. Within a short time you can complete the problem. Now, answer is A only. This is the right answer. First option is correct only. Is it clear? Let us move to the next question. Now, you see this problem. Capital A XY, B A H H B XY. ABC is equal to what is that? ABC. What is A? XY. Is it clear? Now, this is nothing but BC AHHB. Is it clear? Now, C is that one. First of all, AB I will do. First of all, AB I will do. What we will get once we will check that one. Now, this is 1 by 2 matrix. 1 by 2 matrix, this is 2 by 2 matrix. AB is equal to what you will get once you check this one. That is 1 by 2 matrix you will get. First row, second column. 1 by 2 matrix means AX plus HY. AX plus HY. Next, first row, second column. First row, first column completed AX plus HY. First row, second column HX plus BY. HX plus BY. Now, the resultant matrix what we got 1 by 2, 2 by 2. You got it as nothing but 1 by 2 matrix only. Now, AB into C. AB into C is nothing but AX plus HY, HX plus BY. This is nothing but XY. Is it clear? This is nothing but 1 by 2 matrix. This is nothing but 2 by 1 matrix. The resultant matrix is nothing but what you will get? 1 by 1 matrix you will get. Now, this is this into this plus this into this. AX plus HY into X. AX square plus HXY plus HXY plus BY square. HXY plus BY square, you will get 1 by 1 matrix one. Now, this order is 1 by 1 only. Is it clear? 1 by 2 and 2 by 1 multiplication. First I did AB, after that ABC I am doing. Now, I got like that. Now, this result is nothing but AX square, HXY plus HXY, what you will get? AX square plus 2HXY plus BY square only. AX square plus 2HXY plus BY square only. It is a 1 by 1 matrix only. We got like that only. AX plus HY, BXY wrong. AX square plus 2HXY plus BY square. The second option is correct. Here minus is there, wrong only. Here BX square minus 2HXY plus AY square is there, wrong only. So, AX square plus 2HXY plus BY square is the right answer. This is the final answer. Is it clear? Let us move to the next question. A fruit shop has 5 dozen oranges, 3 dozen mangoes, 6 dozen bananas. Their selling prices are rupees 60, 40, 30 each respectively. Using matrix algebra, the value of the fruits in the shop is what? We are going to find that one. Now, once you check this one, A is equal to, I am writing that 5 dozen oranges, 5 into 12, 3 dozen mangoes, 3 into 12, and 6 dozen bananas, 6 into 12. Now, once you observe that one, capital A is equal to 60, this is 36, this is 72 only. Is it clear or not? Now, capital B is nothing but what you will get once you observe that one. Selling price. Now, selling price is nothing but selling price. Selling prices B, what are that? 60, 40, 30. 60, 40, 30. Now once you observe that one, this is nothing but 1 by 3 matrix. 1 row, 3 columns are there. Here 3 rows and 1 column. This is 3 by 1 matrix. Now product AB is nothing but what? AB is equal to, AB is nothing but 60, 36, 72. Here what is that? 60, 40 and 30. Is it clear? Now once you observe that one, that is nothing but 60 into 60. What you will get? That is 3600 you will get. This is nothing but 364 ja. 1440 you will get. Is it clear or not? Now 72 means what is that? 2160 you will get. Now 2160 you will get. Now so total sum is nothing but the final answer only 21, 40, 60, 1500, 16, 3600, again you will get 3600, 3600. What you will get, do you know? The total price is 7200 you will get. This is the total price of that fruits only. Is it clear or not? 7200 is the right answer only. This way you can solve the problem only. Let us move to the next question. Now A is given, B is given, C is given. Then trace of A plus trace of ABC by 2, trace of A into BC whole square by 4, trace of A into BC whole cube by 8 plus so on like that. You know very well the trace, some of the principal diagonal elements. Is it clear or not? Now solution I will do. What about the BC? Now BC is equal to what is that? BC is nothing but 3, 4, 2, 3. This is nothing but 3 minus 4 minus 2, 3 only. Now that BC is equal to, you will get 3 3 is 9 minus 8. Shall I write directly? 9 minus 8 you will get 1 only. Minus 12 plus 12, that will become 0. This 6 minus 6, this will become 0 only. This is nothing but minus 8 plus 9, again 1. This is identity matrix we got I. 1 0 0 1 we got. Every BC, A into I, BC I square, BC whole cube I cube. So now what thing you will get once you check this one? Trace of A plus trace of ABC by 2 means BC is equal to, we are getting I only. So that's what trace of A by 2. You see, trace of A plus trace of what we are getting? A by 2 we are getting. Plus trace of A by ABC whole square by 4. A by 4 means what is that? Trace of A by 2 whole square. Is it clear or not? Trace of A by 2 whole square. Or trace of A square by 4 you can write. Trace of A square by 4. That is trace of A cube by 8 means A by 2 whole cube, that one. A cube by 8 means, A by 8 means, BC whole cube is nothing but this is I only. A by 8, A by 2 cube. A by 2 squares. This is not A square, This is not A square, correct that one. Is it clear? Now, trace of A by 2 and trace of A by 2 square. Trace of A by 2 square plus trace of A by 2 cube. Trace of A by 2 cube. Is it clear? Now once you observe that one, trace of A by 2 cube. For A we are not getting square. You please concentrate carefully. Trace A plus trace A by 2, trace A by 2 square, trace A by 2 cube, plus so on up to infinity we are getting. Trace of Ka equal to, here I am writing a formula, trace of Ka is equal to, what you will get once you observe that one, that is nothing but, trace of Ka is nothing but K into trace A you will get. Is it clear? K into trace A means everything like that only. 1 by 2 into trace A, 1 by 2 square into trace A, 1 by 2 cube into trace A, like that you will get. Now, trace A plus 1 by 2 into trace A plus 1 by 2 square into trace A, 1 by 2 cube into trace A, so on up to infinity we are getting. Everywhere trace A is common only. Then what you will get once you observe that one. So I will pick up trace A is common. Now trace A is common. Then what you will get? 1 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 square plus 1 by 2 cube plus so on. 1 plus 1 by 2, 1 by 2 square, 1 by 2 cube, so on infinity we are getting. This is in geometric progression S infinity formula. Here I am writing S infinity formula is nothing but A by 1 minus R. S infinity is equal to A by 1 minus R. R is the common ratio in GP. Now, that is implies trace A into A by 1 minus R. 1 by 1 minus, our R is 1 by 2 only. Common ratio is 1 by 2 only. 1 minus 1 by 2. Now, this implies trace A into 1 minus 1 by 2 means 1 by 2 only. That is nothing but this 2 comes into the numerator. 2 times of trace A you will get. Is it clear or not? 2 times of what is trace A you see. 2 plus 1. Trace A is 2 plus 1. 2 into 2 plus 1. That is nothing but this 3 into 2. What you will get? 6 is the answer only. You see, the trace of A is nothing but what is that principal diagonal sum? That is nothing but 2 plus 1, 3 only. Here the result is 2 times of trace A we got, 2 times of 3, that is nothing but 6 only we will get. Why? Because 1 by 2 means it will comes into the numerator only. 2 times of trace A only you will get. 2 3 ja 6 is the answer only. So this is the final answer. You use that GP infinite series wherever you get, that formula is S infinity equal to A by 1 minus R. Let us move to the next question. A equal to 0 alpha 0 0. Capital A equal to 0 alpha 0 0. I will find what is A square. A square equal to 0 alpha 0 0 into 0 alpha 0 0 only. Now A square is equal to first row first column 0 0, first row second column 0 0, second row first column, second row second column, all zeros you got. Now if A square is 0, that is nothing but null matrix we are getting. Is it clear or not? Now A cube is also what you will get? All zeros only will get, null matrix only denoted by O. Now A square, null matrix, A cube, null matrix only. Now A plus I whole cube I will write. A plus I whole cube is nothing but what will get once you, A plus B whole cube only. A cube plus 3A square B. 3A square B means I means 3A square into I, you will get 3A square on. 3AB square, 3AB square is I square only, A into I square you will get A only, plus I cube, that is nothing but I only. Just you observe that one, A cube is null matrix, 3A square is also null matrix, this is 0, this is 0, that result is nothing but 3A plus I we are getting. A plus I whole cube is equal to, we are getting it as 3A plus I. Similarly, A plus I whole power 50 is equal to, this is 3A plus I, A plus I whole power 50 is nothing but 50A plus I you will get. Is it clear or not? Now what was the given question once you check this one? A plus I whole power 50 minus 50A equal to ABCD. I will write that one. 50A plus I, just I am replacing A plus I whole power 50 is nothing but 50A plus I minus 50A, that is equal to ABCD I am writing. Is it clear or not? 50A cancel only. I equal to ABCD. I means what is that? 1001 is equal to ABCD only. Now A equal to 1, B equal to 0, C equal to 0, D equal to 1. A plus D 3. A plus D, these two only. 1 plus 1, 3. Getting? Not getting? Not getting. Wrong answer only. A plus B 1. A1, B 0. 1 plus 0. A plus B equal to 1. This is the right answer only. B plus C is 1. B is this one, C is this one. 0 plus 0. 1. Wrong option only. Next, other thing is what is that? A plus D 1. A, D. 1 plus 1, we should get 2 only, but 1 is there. Is it clear or not? So, which option is correct? A plus B is 1. 1 plus 0, that is 1 only. A plus B equal to 1 is the right answer only. You have to solve like that. This is a null matrix. We got 0, 0. 0 means A cube 0, 3A square 0. We got 3A plus I. A plus I whole cube is equal to 3A plus I. A plus I whole power 50 equal to 50A plus I. By that we revealed the question only. Is it clear? Let us move to the next question. Now, P of 1 0 0 3 1 0 9 3 1 Q of Qij be two 3 by 3 matrices such that Q minus P power 5 is equal to I3, then Q21 plus Q31 by Q32 is equal to what? This is a P equal to P matrix. Now, I am writing that P square is equal to what? This is actually P equal to, this P matrix is equal to this one only. Is it clear? Now, P square is equal to, P square is nothing but 1 0 0 3 1 0 9 3 1. Again this one only 1 0 0 3 1 0 9 3 1. It is a 3 by 3, 3 by 3. Both 3 by 3 multiplication, what you will get? A 3 by 3 matrix only you will get. Now, P square is equal to, you see this one. First row, first column. 1 into 1, 1, 0, 0. You will get 1 only. First row, second column, 0, 0, 0. You will get 0 only. First row, third column, 0, 0, 0. That is 0 only. Second row, first column, 3 plus 3, 6, this is 0, 6 only. Second row, second column, 0, 1, 0, should be 1 only. Second row, third column, 0, 0, 0, second row, third column, 0, 0, 0, we got 0 only. Third row, first column, 9, 3 3 is 9, plus 1 into 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, we will get it as 27. Third row, second column, 0, 3 into 1, 3, 1 into 3, 3, 3 plus 3, what is that? 6 only you will get. Is it clear? Now, third row, third column, 0, 0, 1 into 1, 1 only. I got like that. Now, once you observe that one, P square I got like that. P to the power of 4 is what? Why? Because we required P power 5 only. P to the power of 4. 1 0 0 6 1 0 27 6 1 into what is that? 1 0 0 6 1 0 27 6 1. Is it clear? This is P to the power of 4. P to the power of 4, I am writing the result P to the power of 4. First row, first column, 1, 0, 0. This is 1 only. First row, second column, 0, 0, 0. That will become 0 only. First row, third column, 0, 0, 0 will become 0 only. Second row, first column, 6 plus 6, 12. This is 0. You will get as 12. Second row, second column, 0, 1, 0. 1 only. Second row, third column, 0, 0, this is 0, totally will become 0. Next, third row, first column, 27, 6 into 6, 36, 27. 27, 27, 54. 54 plus 36, 90 you will get. We will get it as 91. Third row, second column, 0, 6 plus 6, you will get it as 12 only. Now, third row, last column, 0, 0 should be 1 only. 1, 0, 0, 12, 1, 0, 90, 12, 1 we got. Now, p to the power of 5. Now, p to the power of 5 is nothing but p to the power of 4. What is that? 1, 0, 0, 12, 1, 0. 1, 0, 0, 12, 1, 0. And after that, what is that? 90, 12, 1. 90, 12, 1. Is it clear? Now, into 1, 0, 0, 3, 1, 0, 9, 3, 1 only. Now, p to the power of 5 is equal to what you will get once you observe that one. P to the power of 5 is nothing but what will happen. Now, p to the power of 5 is nothing but first row, first column, 1, 0, 0. This should be 1 only. Is it clear? First row, second column, 0, 0, 0, 0 only. First row, third column, 0, 0, 0, you will get 0 only. Second row, first column, 12 plus 1 into 3, 3, 0. This is 15 you will get. Is it clear or not? Now, after that one, what will happen once you observe that one? This is 15. First row, second row, first column. Second row, second column, 12 into 0, 0, 1 into 1, 1, 0 into 3. This is 1 only. Second row, third column, 0, 0, 0. That will become 0. Third row, first column, 90 plus 36 plus 9. 45 plus 90, 135 we will get. 135 we will get. Is it clear or not? Now, we can get that one. What will happen is nothing but 135. After that, third row, second column, what you will get? 90 into 0, 12 into 1, 1 into 3. This will become 15 only. Third row, last column, 90 into 0, 12 into 0, 1 into 1, 1 we are getting. They are given that q minus p power 5 is equal to I3. Now, q is equal to p power 5 plus I3. Q equal to p power 5. That was given. Q minus p power 5 is equal to I3. Q is nothing but I3 means 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1 only. Is it clear or not? Now, then after what will happen once you check this one? They are asking to find Q21. First of all, Q we have to find. Q is equal to nothing but capital Q equal to I3 plus P power 5. P power 5 is this only. I3 means what is that? 1, 0, 0. 1, 0, 0 means we have to, this is nothing but P power 5. P power 5, I3 plus P power 5. That is Q equal to, I3 is nothing but what is that? 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1 plus what you will get? I3 plus P power 5. 1, 0, 0, 15, 1, 0, 135, 15, 1. Is it clear? Now that Q is equal to what you will get? 1 plus 1, that is 2, 0, 0. 15, this is 2, 0. 135, 0 plus 15, that is 15, 1 plus 1, 2 1. Just you observe that one. They only given the condition Q minus P power 5 is equal to I3. Q equal to I3 plus P power 5. Q equal to I3 plus P power 5. Now I3 plus P power 5 means 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1 plus P power 5 is 1 0 0 15 1 0 135 15 1 only. Adding corresponding elements, what you will get? 1 plus 1 2 0 0 15 2 0 135 15 1 plus 1 2 only. What they are asking once you observe that one, that is nothing but you see here I am writing, just you observe that Q21. See, this is Qij, this is Qij, capital Q we got, capital Q is Qij. Q21 is equal to what is that? Q21 equal to Q11, 12, 13, Q21 is nothing but 15. Is it clear? Q31, 135. Q31 is equal to 135. And Q32, this is a 32, 15 only. Q32 is nothing but 15. Now summation once you check. 15 plus 135 by 15. You see this one. 15 plus 135, 150 by 15. How much you will get once you observe that one? 15 10 ja 150 only. 10 is the answer. Just you remember that after finding P power 5, you cannot pick up directly. Q minus P power 5 is I3 is there. Q is equal to I3 plus P power 5. I3 is 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1 plus P power 5 as it is 1 0 0 15 1 0 135 15 1. Added these two 2 0 0 15 2 0 G 135 15, that is 2. In this one, this is capital Q. Capital Q is nothing but Qij. From that one Q21, Q31, Q32 we picked up. We got 150 by 15, that is answer is 10 only. 10 is the final answer. First option 15, second option 9, third option 135, fourth option is 10, that is the right answer. Let us move to the next question. Now A equal to this one, B is this one, A is 1 2 2 5, B is 4 3 0 2 and 2A plus C equal to B, C equal to what? Now C is equal to B minus 2A. Now I am writing B is equal to 4 3 0 2. 2A is nothing but what is that? 2A is nothing but 2 4 4 10 only. Now C is equal to what is that? B minus 2A. Here only you are having B and 2A. 4 minus 2, that is 2. 3 minus 4, minus 1. 0 minus 4, minus 4. 2 minus 10, minus 8 you will get. Is it clear or not? Now once you observe that one, C equal to B minus 2A only. This is B, this is 2A, 4 minus 2, 2, 3 minus 4, minus 1, 0 minus 4, minus 4, 2 minus 10, minus 8. First option is absolutely wrong. 2 minus 1, minus 4, minus 8. Yes, it is there. Right answer only. 3 minus 1, minus 4, minus 8, minus 6, minus 7, minus 4, minus 12. Wrong options only. You see, 2 minus 1, minus 4, minus 8 is the right answer only. That is the final answer. Let us move to the next question. A and B are two square matrices of order n and capital A and capital B are commutative. K be a real number, scalar only. Then what is the option? What options you will get once you observe that one? Now A and B are commutative. So AB is equal to BA, you will get. Why? Because they are commutative. Commutative law is matrix multiplication commutative. Why? Because order n was given. Here AB is equal to BA, already given that one. Always not possible, you remember. Matrix multiplication is always not commutative. But here given A and B, two square matrices of order n and A and B are commutative was given. Commutative was given means what is that? The result is AB equal to BA, you can write. Is it clear or not? Now, every option is A minus Ki, B minus Ki, like that is there. I multiply A minus Ki into B minus Ki, what will get? A minus Ki into B minus Ki, I will multiply. What will get once you check this one? A into B, this is AB. A into Ki minus AKI minus KIB, minus into minus plus K square. I square is nothing but I only. I square, K square I means we can write K square only. Is it clear or not? K square into I, as it is you can write, no problem. Why? Because this is a matrix, this is a scalar only. Now this is equal to AB. A into K, K is a scalar, A into I is nothing but A only. So that's what you can write, nothing but, so minus Ka you can write, minus Kb you can write, plus K square, I is a matrix only. Is it clear or not? Why? Because here matrix is there, A into I you will get A, B into I you will get B only. Now AB equal to, you can write BA. This is nothing but minus Ka minus Kb, you can swipe that one, no problem. Minus Kb minus Ka only, plus K square I. Now once we check that one, is it B minus Ki into A minus Ki? B minus Ki into A minus Ki is equal to, what is that? Why? Because A minus Ki into B minus Ki I took, I got that result. If the same result if I get for this also, these two are commutative, you can write. Now this is equal to B into A, BA minus BKI minus KIA plus K square I only. Now that is equal to BA minus B, K is a constant, BI means what is that? What you can write? Minus KB you can write. Is it clear or not? Here A into I means A only, that is minus K, K is a scalar only, that is nothing but plus K square I. You once observe this one. A minus Ki into B minus Ki, BA minus KB minus Ka plus K square I. B minus Ki into A minus Ki is nothing but BA minus, means this can be expressed as this B minus Ki into A minus Ki. You see that one, BA minus KB minus Ka plus K square I square we get, actually I square is nothing but I only we can write. Is it clear or not? Now these two are same we are getting once you observe that one, BA minus KB minus KB minus Ka minus Ka plus K square I plus K square. Therefore what result you can write? A minus Ki into B minus Ki is equal to B minus Ki into A minus Ki only. So A minus Ki, B minus Ki are commutative law satisfying only. First option is commutative, A minus Ki, B minus Ki are equal was given. A minus Ki, B minus Ki do not commutative, A plus Ki, B minus Ki do not commutative. A minus Ki, B minus Ki is commutative law, it is satisfying. That first option is correct only. You remember that matrix multiplication is always, not always commutative. Here the given condition it is commutative like that. That's what we are taking AB equal to BA only. Is it clear or not? Now according to the given condition we solve the problem only. So let us move to the next question. A equal to 1 2 2 2 1 2 2 2 1, A square minus 4A equal to K into I3. I3 is 3 by 3 matrix only. Then K is equal to what? Now once you observe that one, A is equal to 1, 2, 2, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 1. A square is equal to what? Shall I write directly here only A square? No problem. A square is 1, 2, 2, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 1 only. Is it clear? Now once you observe that one, A square is equal to, what is A square? First row, first column, 1, 4, 4. We will get it as 9 only. First row, second column, 2 plus 2 plus 2, 8 only. First row, third column, 2 plus 2 plus 2, again 8 only. Second row, first column, 2 plus 2 plus 2, sorry, not 2 plus 2 plus 2. First row, first column is 1 plus 4 plus 4, 9. 2 plus 2 plus 4, not 2. 2 plus 2 plus 4. 4 plus 4, 8. First row, third column, 2 plus 4 plus 2, again 8. Second row, first column, 2 plus 2 plus 4, 8. Second row, second column, 2 plus 1 plus 4. 2 2 ja 4, sorry. 2 2 ja 4 plus 1 plus 4, this will become 9 only. Properly you do the multiplication only, little bit confusion you will get. Second row, second column, what third column, what you will get? 2 2 ja 4 plus 2, 6 plus 2, 8 you will get. Third row, first column, 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4, 4 plus 2, 6 plus 2, 8 only. Third row, second column, 2 plus 2, sorry, 2 2 ja 4 plus 2, 6 plus 2, 8 only you will get. Third row, third column, 2 2 ja 4, 4 plus 4, 8 plus 1, 9. 9, 8, 8, 8, 9, 8, 8, 8, 9 we got. Just you do the product properly, you will get this one. Is it clear or not? See that one, first row, first column, first row, second column, first row, third column, second row, first column, second row, second column, second row, third column, third row, first column, third row, second column, third row, third column, like that one. A square I got. What is 4A? 4A is nothing but 4, 8, 8. 4, 8, 8. 8, 4, 8. 8, 8. This is 4. This is 4A. Now A square minus 4A is what is that? A square minus 4A is equal to 9 minus 4, 5. 8 minus 8, 0, 0. 8 minus 8, 0. 9 minus 4, 5. 8 minus 8, 0. 0, 0. 9 minus 4 is what is that? 5 only. I got nothing but 5 common. 5 I3 I got, you see, this is I3 only, 3 by 3 matrix. This is a 3 by 3 matrix only. I am picking up 5 common from each and every element. I will get that 5 into I3 only. So A square minus 4A equal to KI3, we got 5I3. KI3 equal to 5I3 only. Therefore, what does it mean by K? K is equal to 5 only. Is it clear? Just A square minus 4A I got 5I3. That was given KI3 only. KI3 is equal to 5I3. Therefore, K equal to 5 is the final answer. Now, this is the end of the session only. Thank you very much.